Go on. Put it out. Put it out. It ain't coming out, is it? What do I do to pause it? I can't pause it.
Put it back in. Put it back in.
Go on, just put it in, man. Put it in. Put it in.
Go get it.
Go on, just put it in.
Go get it.
Put it in.
Look at the space.
Put it in. Ram it in there. Ram it in. Use all your might. Come on.
Twist it in and twist it.
I'm running out of time.
Go, go, go.
Go.
Get in? No.
Put it in.
It's not going in. It's not going in. It came out.
I'm running out of time on this. Come on. Go.
Get it in, Rick.
Is it in?
It was in. I can't get it. You have to get it in there. I can't get it in. Don't put it on the gym. Where is it? I can't get it in. I'm going to make more and more and more loads of water. There's going to be a load of water. There's no point in all of us getting wet. Just put it in there. Well, you can get wet.
Bitch, just put it in. Put it in, bitch.
Bitch, it's got to go back in. I mean, otherwise there's going to be water. Fuck's sake, it's impossible. Are you sure it goes in? Positive.
Well, it come out, didn't it? Come on, this is 2 minutes 32 now. Oh, you're going to run out of it like stuff.
Rich, it came out of that hole. It's got to go back in there, isn't it?
Right, come on, that's it. One more manly go. Manly go.
You're wet already.
Go on, that's it. Fill it up.
No.
How do I turn this off?